Hi, Karen and I are here to announce the winner of the first ever Painter of the Month competition. We are happy to announce that Karen Liptrap won the competition with 705 votes. Congratulations, Karen. Karen painted a Kincaid chest that she had salvaged. She covered the sides and the drawer fronts with an embossed wallpaper, painted it in Black Dog Salvage, Keep It Teal, and then dry brushed over the wallpaper to bring all the embossing forward. She did a beautiful job. Karen's dad passed away in 2004, and he's the one who taught her to do the best with what you have.
And second place goes to Chastity D with almost 600 votes. She upcycled a vanity and used Miss Lillian's furniture paint. She's a 21-year veteran from the Air Force and does a lot of upcycling in her spare time.
We can't thank everyone enough for their submissions. It really overwhelmed Karen and I at everything that was...
It was a hard choice.
It was so hard. We sat here to bring it down to 5. You made our job very, very difficult, and we can't thank you enough. We're overwhelmed with the amount of talent that was displayed to us.
All the cool
Thank
ideas.
you. And here's Tay to talk to you about the November Maker of the Month.
Thanks everybody for participating in this special edition of Maker of the Month that we obviously dubbed Painter of the Month. Really cool to see the diversity of skill out there. Not just that there is skill, but that there's diversity. We are now taking submissions for the November Maker of the Month, and this will be the final month of the Maker of the Month contest. We have had so much fun. I'm working on a highlight reel right now, which we will put out sometime in December to pay homage to all the submissions over the past year plus that we've been doing this, and it's been really, really fun. So, back to standard criteria for November. Again, we are now taking submissions. Submit your builds, good photos, and a short write-up to makerofthemonth@blackdogsalvage.com. Again, use hopefully most or all salvaged materials, and good pictures go a long way. The winner still receives a pair of Keen utility boots. Thanks again to Keen for sponsoring this whole thing. Looking forward to giving the last winner their fancy new boots. Thanks, guys.